Operations on queue. The basic operations we can able to perform on queue are NQ or insert operation, DQ or delete operation, is empty, is full, peek or front operation. The insert operation in queue we will call it as NQ, delete operation in queue we will call it as DQ. Okay. So here insert operation will insert an element at the end of the queue. For example, if you are considering this as the queue data structure in the sense, you can able to insert an element. For example, this is 10, 20, 30 and now rear is pointing to this memory location and front is pointing to 0th memory location. That is the first element in the queue. Okay. So if this is the condition in the sense, insertion always happens at the rear position. NQ or insertion happens at the rear position. DQ or deletion happens at the front position. Okay. So here, if you want to insert a new element in the sense, just increment the rear position by 1. Now rear will point to this memory location and place the element. Okay. DQ or delete operation in the sense, it deletes an element at the start of the queue. Start of the queue in the sense, that is the front pointer position only, it will delete the element. Here, this is the front pointer position. If it wants to implement DQ operation, this element will be deleted. Now, front will point to next memory location. Simple condition is increment the front pointer by 1, automatically this element will be deleted. And is empty in the sense, it has to check whether the queue is empty or not. So, empty queue, you cannot able to perform delete operation. So, before deleting an element from the queue, first you have to check whether the queue is empty or not. So, if the queue is empty, it will return true or yes, it will return. Is full in the sense, if all the memory locations you have placed with the values in the sense, in that case, this condition, it will return true. It will check out whether the queue is full or not. If the queue is full, it will return true, otherwise it will return false. So, this is the condition we have to check before implementing the insert operation. Suppose if the queue, whatever you have allocated, that is completely full in the sense, further you cannot able to perform insert operation. So, before inserting an element, check whether the queue is full or not. And peek or front operation in the sense, what is the front pointer value it is pointing? So now it is pointing to element 20. Okay. So here peek or front operation, just it will display the element present in the front pointer. Now the front pointer is pointing to 20. If you are asking to print in the sense 20, it will print. The peek operation, it will display 20. So these are all the basic operations we can able to perform in queue.